Right guys, how are you doing? Welcome to another video. So today's video we're going to install a short shifter to the Ford Focus ST Mark II 225, and comes well packed actually. And the short shifter what I've chosen is the R spec. It's already come made up, but it's easy to make anyway. And the big boy is right in this wee bag. Comes with instructions. I'll have they're right here. Obviously this is the price. How much was it? I'm gonna put the link down below in the description if you want to buy this one. It was only £26 and 95p. And like I said, 7 pages like this. It's come with instructions. Is not, I'm sorry, 1 of 5. So all these pages they have instructions how to do it in case you don't have clue how to do it properly. So it should be a nice and easy. Would be a very good.
So first thing you have to do is just pull this off. Just do that. It's hard to videotape to work with one hand and videotape in the other hand. I'm just going to open this straight away. I'll put it back after that. Make your life easier, guys. So take that away. Nothing to worry about. There's Vaseline there. Okay guys, so I've used this key to get it shut from here, and now I have, if you can see, if my camera gets that one, that black thing in there. I need to take that off now, and let's see. With that, I just pull it up. It was a wee bit of a struggle to pull the thing up because I thought it was going to have a wee, like a ghibli or something on top, like I saw a lot of people on YouTube. It's a wee plastic, like a circle plastic, but on this one I was not having it. Oh my god, look at that. So that's what I've done, guys. I'll just pull it there and just pull it, and now I need to take it off. Okay, so I already put this here. The way this works is the lower you put this, the longer the gear is. The higher you put this, the shorter the gear is. But I just put it just where this wee bend is here, just slightly a wee bit down, just to make sure it's done right. Please make sure you tight all your screws, because like at this they're not tight. The ones at the back they're not tight either. That one is just sliding right back there. I don't know if you can see. There's a flash on here, so I don't know if you can see, but that one there is just need to get tighter now, and I'll just do that now so you can see what I'm doing. Get in. Oh. Okay guys, so I'm going to tighten that there. You don't want to tighten it far too hard to break the thread. You just want to feel it. I know you only see my hand, but that's it. That's damn happy with that. A wee extension end that would do. There we go. I'm happy with that. And now what I find easier to take, put this in second gear, and you would have a lot of gap to take this thing out. So now what I have to do, I'll have to put that, if you can see that black thing right there, I'll have to put it here and this in there. So I'm going to try to do that. Probably don't going to see nothing, but oh my Jesus. Yeah, I'll have to stop this and show you after. So that's in the back. If you have fat hands, or if that is even a word, it's a struggle to put that back there. It's right there, the thing. I still need to press a wee bit down, because you can see a wee gap there. And this, I just need to have to do it like that, and just get a wee screwdriver and just hit in the head. Oh shit! Holy crap, that's short, man. Wait. Oh my god. Jeez, that's short, by the way. We're gonna take it for a test drive, guys, anyway, so we can see. Make sure, like I said, make sure you tight every single one of this to make sure they don't pop out of the gear. We're going to take it for a test drive together and we'll see how it's going to perform. I think the neighbours, they're going to hate me. I don't have the straight through exhaust yet. That's the plan, so probably they're going to enjoy it that much. They're going to invite the polish as well, so we'll see anyway. I'm going to put this back together, tie this, put it all together, and we're going to go for a test drive, guys. Okay guys, so we're going to go for a test drive now. I'll let the car a wee bit warm up. She's so short though. That is so short. Sorry for the phone going, because I don't have the stabilizer in here. Mate, I love this motor, man. The best thing ever, man. Here, that's beautiful. And it's not even warm up. I don't go mental. Since the car is not go to 80, or once the temperature is kind of in the middle, and the same with the oil, I'm not go mental on it. But I'll let the car warm up for 20 minutes. So it's a good temperature now. So let's see this bad boy. The first gear and second, they are so short. I hope so you can hear me. Oh my god, I love this car, man. Shifter is absolutely, oh my god.